Hello friends, in this session I'm going to demonstrate union data type. So union is one of the user defined data type in C, and union is very similar to structure. Okay, there is only one difference between structure and union, that is in terms of memory allocation. Otherwise union definition, structure definition seems same. Union variable declaration and structure variable declaration again same. Then compile time initialization, runtime initialization for structure and union both are same. Only the memory allocation to structure variable and union variable, that is there is a difference. Getting? So let us start with C program for union user defined data type. Okay, so first I will define union definition or union. Okay, so first I am defining union. So consider student is my union. Student is my union and it has three members: int roll number, then float average, and third one is name of student. Size is 10. Now see, this is what union definition, student definition. Now I will define variable declaration. So suppose I have taken yes as union variable. Okay, now you know that whenever we are defining structure or union, memory will not be allocated, but whenever we are declaring structure variable or union variable, at that time memory will be allocated. Now see, if this is structure, then how many bytes will be allocated to this yes variable? So 4 bytes for roll number, 4 bytes for average, and 10 bytes for name. So total 18 bytes will be allocated to yes if it is structure. But in case of union, that is not the case. For roll number, average, and name, it will not be decided based on that. What compiler will do for your union, it will check the union variable yes. Okay, now this yes contains three members: roll number, avg, name. So it will find out the member from this definition which requires the maximum memory. Getting? So see, roll number takes 4 bytes, avg takes 4 bytes, and this name array takes 10 bytes. So it will allocate only 10 bytes memory for this yes union variable. Getting? And those 10 bytes will be shared for roll number, avg, and name at different time. Getting? So if you want to save memory, then union is better than the structure. But what is the drawback? We can't initialize all three members, that is roll number, avg, and name, at a time. We can use them, we can utilize them at different time. Getting? So see, the memory structure will be like this. These will be 10 bytes and this will be my union name, and these 10 bytes, these 10 bytes will be shared for roll number, then avg, and name at different time. Getting? But if this is structure, if this is structure, then the memory total number of bytes will be allocated for yes could be 18 bytes. Getting? So see, we are saving total 8 bytes with help of union. Getting? But what is the drawback? We can't use all three members at a time, that is roll number, then avg, and name, because those will require 18 bytes. Getting? So this is common area. This can be shared for roll number, avg, and name, but at different time. Getting? So we can save the memory which is required for these members. Getting? So let us see how to read values. Enter roll number, then avg, and name of student, and read those values. So syntax is same for union definition, then structure definition, then union variable declaration and structure variable declaration. Then next one is %d, %f, %yes, and yes dot roll number, and yes dot avg, and then yes dot name. Okay, and let us print those values. So roll number slash t avg slash t name. S dot roll number, S dot avg, yes dot name. So let us see the output and then we'll see what is happening. Compile successfully, run, give roll number 12 78.9 and suppose name is abcd. Getting? So just wait, get the output on separate line. 12 78.9 and suppose name is abcd. Now see the output. You have entered roll number as 12 but you are getting roll number as garbage value. You have entered average as 78.9 but you are getting against garbage value. Only name is correct, getting abcd. Why you are getting this? Because see, initially whenever you have entered roll number, that was stored in this 10 bytes, that was successfully stored, but immediately you are giving average, getting, that is 78.9. so that roll number was replaced by 78.9, but again immediately you are giving name abcd, so that 78.9 was replaced by abcd, getting. So nothing is there, or no, there is no space for roll number and avg, getting. That's why you are getting garbage value as output for roll number and avg, and abcd is successfully stored in those 10 bytes, so you are getting only a name correctly, getting. So this is the thing. So how to use these 10 bytes for these three things, okay, that I will show. See what you can do. At a time you can read only one member, so first roll number, and then and yes dot roll number, and immediately you can print that like this. So at different time you can use those members. So likewise you can read those members different time. Next is average, so percent F. Third one is name, for name require percent yes name, percent yes name. So see, like this you can use those three members at different times. So let us compile and see the output. So roll number you will get correct, then average you will get correct, and then name abcd you get correct, getting. So here see, if we got correct output. Why? Because whenever we read roll number, that was successfully stored in that yes dot roll number block, getting 10 bytes, so that was printed. Then after that we have read average, so roll number was replaced. We have already printed roll number, so roll number value was replaced by avg, and then we have printed avg. Now whenever we have read name, average was replaced, getting, and then it was name was successfully stored, and then name was printed. So like this, whenever you want to use these members at different time,